In this video, we will demonstrate the use of a timer instruction in the TD400 internal PLC. In this example, a float switch will open when the tank level reaches the low tank level. This will energize the motor for a specified time period to replenish the tank level. The ladder logic shown only demonstrates the timer control of the motor. No safety or interlock logic is shown in the program. Start the TD-Link software and begin a new program. Configure the VFD's primary operation and discrete inputs for PLC function. Begin the ladder program with a normally closed or store-not contact I1. This is the low-level float switch. Extend the power flow to the right-hand side of the ladder. From the instruction bar, select an M coil and place it in the ladder. M01 will be used. The coil will be a set coil. Begin rung 2 with a normally open or store contact M01. Place a motor control function block on the right-hand side power rail. This will be function number 1. Set for 60 Hz and an acceleration and deceleration time of 1 second. Below the motor function, add a timer instruction. Timer 01 will be assigned. The timer will be an on-delay timer. The time base is 1 second and a constant value of 10, as this is the known time required to fill the tank. Use the connections to complete the branch and power flow. Begin rung 4 with the timer 1 contact. This contact will turn on when timer 1 times to 10 seconds. Connect the power flow to the right-hand side and add a coil M01. This will be a reset coil. Download the PLC program and AC drive parameters. Place the PLC in run mode for station 1. Do not read the program from the PLC. Move the monitor windows to the right power rail. In rung 1, no logic power is flowing as the float switch is above the low-level state. When the float switch detects a low tank level, I01 allows logic power to flow in rung 1. M01 is set and will remain on until reset. In rung 2, M01 energizes motor control function 1 and starts the 10-second timer. As the tank level rises, the float switch will disconnect power logic flow in rung 1. When the timer completes the 10-second time, the T1 complete contact in rung 4 is turned on. This resets M01 and turns off the motor function 1 and resets timer 01 in rung 2. The system will remain in this state until the float switch connected to I01 detects a low tank level, starting the fill cycle again. This concludes the use of the timer instruction in the TD400. For application notes and videos on the FMX Tough Drive VFDs, visit our knowledge base.